What's going on, LEDs and bags? Welcome back to the channel. We have an exciting video for you today. We're going to do a product review. All right. So we have 4 or 5 boxes here. We're going to start with the smallest box, open them all the way up. But what we are doing is the Advanblack floorboard set. So this is going to be a complete set. Now, this set is in chrome, but there's other options that you can do. Black is the other option with color inside of them. So I'll add that into the description. But furthermore, let's get this thing opened up. So I'm not sure what box this is. So here we have is the pieces for the shifter. So the front and back for the heel toe shifter. Okay, so we have those pieces, everything you need to get that installed onto your bike. The product is very solid. It's very good chrome. As you guys know, we have this installed on the Redline Red bike, but I wanted to come on and do another product review. So, but this is a great product. I haven't had any issues with it at all. So that's the shifter. We're gonna come back over here, another small box. And here we have the brake pedal. All right, so let me get the brake pedal out. It's nice and heavy. It's simple install, but it's the brake pedal. And as I mentioned earlier, these parts come in black, and along the edge, they come powder coat, where you can powder coat them. I know for sure red and blue is an option available, but there's a select options that are available, but it's only available in the black option. So you can do black with the trim of color. But we chose, we're doing solid chrome here. So like I said, you got a larger brake pedals, larger than stock, but it fits in your stock location. No issues on the install. And I think these is gonna be the rods for the shifter. So, excuse me. All right, so this is a rod for your heel toe shifter. And you have your, basically goes like that. Or, yeah, like such. You install that, you put the pedals on there. So the large one goes in the front and the small one goes in the back. I believe that's how it's installed, or however you want to set it up. But as I mentioned earlier, great product, Advanblack. So we offer this product. So you can pick this set up in the description below. Or if you don't want to do the set, you just want to do pieces, then you can do it that way. Hey. Now this one is going to be our rear passenger floorboard set. It's everything you need. I got a few questions. I'm not gonna pull the other one out, just one. But I got a few questions on, did it come with the rod? Does it come with the floorboard? So in this set, you receive the floorboard, you receive the extension. So this bolts onto your bike, and then this bolts to this, and then your floorboard. So your floorboard's able, oops, excuse me, your floorboard mounts to this, and it's able to flip up and down. All right, so that's how that works. But it's everything you need to get this installed, and it's as you see, it's nice, heavy, great product. I can't say anything bad about it, and this is an honest review, not because I sell the stuff. Now, we have the star of the show is going to be the driver floorboard. So without this portion, nothing else matters, right? So this is going to be the driver. I'm just going to pull one side out. So this is your driver floorboard set. And similar to the passenger, you have your driver floorboard. So this is going to be the left side driver floorboard. It's a great product. It's nice and his thing is heavy. It's long. So if you got big feet, little feet, but just give you different mounting points of your foot. And the brackets, So you mount the brackets to the floorboard, and it's an easy, simple install. So this one goes here. It's like an indentation in there for you to mount it. You bolt those to that, and then you mount it onto your stock location. So, like I said, this is a quick one today. And of course, you have the set. So whether you order the driver and just the passer and use a different shifter, however you mix it up, the option is yours. So that's all up to you. Black or chrome. Unfortunately, I don't have the black to show, but it's the same thing, same product. The black is great. Powder coat on it is great. Haven't had any issue with it. Sold many of them and haven't had any callbacks. So you can tell when the product is bad. You guys will call and there will be issues or even a return, but we strive on good products and there haven't been any issues with that. So as I mentioned earlier, just wanted to come on here real quick and introduce this particular kit, reintroduce this kit to you. So this is available. Tap in and get these products while they last, and actually reach out to Ledsnbaggs. So we'll get you set up, we'll get you squared away on this setup, and it will be on the Ledsnbaggs website, so ledsnbaggs.com. Make sure you guys subscribe to the video as well. Busting my butt trying to make this happen, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, like us all across all social media platforms. So until next time, hey, you guys have fun and be safe. I'll see you soon. Peace.